Assalamualaikum and greetings to our supervisor and examiner. Welcome to our final year project presentation. The title of our final year project is Obstacle to Intent in Mobile Commerce Adoption, Perception of Generation X in Malaysia. We are supervised by our SV Puan Nur Amira binti Muhammad Yazis. Due to the rapid expansion of mobile device usage and market penetration, mobile commerce has gained popularity. The conduct of business through mobile device is referred to as mobile commerce. Mobile ticketing, mobile banking, mobile marketing, mobile information service, mobile shopping and mobile entertainment are all examples of mobile commerce. According to the Malaysia Communication and Multimedia Commission 2013, mobile phone use account for 86.3% of the population in Malaysia. People who were born between 1960 and 1980 are referred to as Generation X. They are non-materialistic, have high earning power, reluctant on brand name and technological advancements. They make up 23.9% of Malaysians' total population. As a result, Generation X is one of the most popular target groups because of their large population and high purchasing power. Therefore, it is essential to comprehend Generation X motivations for adopting mobile commerce. Next, the objective of this research is first, to identify the relationship between usage and adoption intention of mobile commerce among Generation X in Malaysia. Second, to examine the relationship between value and adoption intention of mobile commerce among Generation X in Malaysia. And lastly, to identify the relationship between trust and adoption intention of mobile commerce among Generation X in Malaysia.
For our research study, we choose one underpinning theory, which is Innovation Resistant Theory, IRT, developed by Ram and Chet 1989, which is to explore what are the obstacles to intent in mobile commerce adoption intention from the perception of Generation X. Our DV is Mobile Commerce Adoption Intention. In this study, it's referred to consumers' level of intent to adopt mobile commerce. The first IV is usage barriers, the resistance to an invention caused by the inconsistency with current routine and plan. Next, value barriers. They emphasize how their values and social system now include using mobile device. Lastly, trust barrier, which is essential whenever there is risk, uncertainty, or independence, and plays a central role in both interpersonal and business relationships.
Material and method that used for our research study. Quantitative research method were chosen for this research paper to find all the necessary information stated. Quantitative procedures convert phenomenological data into numerical values so that statistical analysis method with a conceptual basis can be used to clarify, test and validate theories and hypotheses. Data collection is from primary data by using questionnaire. The questionnaire will be distributed to share surveys on social media such as Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp randomly to the Generation X respondent. The population is focused to get perception from Generation X in Malaysia in the range of 42 until 62 years old. Sample size is 384 respondents based on Kretschy and Morgan's 1970. Lastly, for SPSS, we analyze data using descriptive analysis, reliability and normality test, Pearson correlation analysis, also multiple regression.
Based on the overall result for our study obtained, hypothesis IV1 and 2 are not accepted because most of the respondents do not agree that the use and the value is a barrier for them to use mobile commerce. Next, table 2 show that the actual reliability analysis obtained is very good. Lastly is the summary of descriptive statistic. Mean for the mobile commerce adoption intention is 4.07 and 0.843 for standard deviation. Mean for usage barrier is 2.52, 1.011 is standard deviation. Mean for value barrier is 2.63 and 1.011 is standard deviation. Lastly, mean for trust barrier 3.50 and 0.873 for standard deviation.
We want to thank to everyone who helped us finish our research project in the most sincere and humble way possible. We would like to start by thanking our supervisor, Puan Nur Amirah binti Muhammad Yazid, for her encouragement, directions and knowledge sharing. Next, we want to thank to everyone who participated in the survey for giving us their time and passion. We work to finish the questionnaire. Finally, we would like to convey our gratitude to our parents for their support in all that we do. As a conclusion, this study fulfilled all the goals and the question of the research. The statistical significance of the relationship that exists between the variable is established. The most important barrier that influence on mobile commerce adoption, iteration among the Generation Act in Malaysia is trust barriers. Thus, the usage and the value variance is insignificant predictor on mobile commerce adoption intention.